As we are in the process of removing the stem from the national anthem, here's the original national anthem sang and written by Sol Plaatje.
Samoya, oh ye, ni Samoya, ni Samoya, ni Samoya, oh mo.
If you took a listen to the original national anthem, you take note that Sol Plaatje, there's a point in the national anthem where he sings Woza Moya. That would be the perfect part to replace the stem. So as you can see, the national anthem, there's Nkosi Sikelel, which is the first stanza, Morena Buluka, second stanza. We completely removed the stem, the third stanza, and then put sounds to call to come together as the third stanza, and then Woza Moya as the finishing part, which will replace the stem. Done. So Nkosi Sikelel, Morena, sounds they call to come together, Woza Moya. That's it.